In this 1.14 release, we have a new cool features in our generator. The first one is we are now able to set the default data for a class, for an object, using the class documentation in the JSON format. For example, data, which is an array of strings like this, or even we can set the data, which is a list of object like this, according to the fields that are available in the class itself, right? Okay, for the one-to-many field, for example, this one, we can use the external ID generated from the others data, or even we can simply use the name field to refer to that one-to-many records. All right, let's see the example. Okay, for example, this diagram, and we have the class called pelajaran, which is like major, right? So in the sample, we have the name, code, and this field and this field. And in the documentation field, we can set the JSON data, which one of it is help, which is the default message that will appear in the action windows when the data is empty. And then the second one is the data, which is in this case the list of objects in JSON to be created as the default data for this class, right? So the format is like this. We can simply copy this one to make it easier for us to read the data. Okay, so this is the JSON format. We have help and we have data, which is a list of objects, right? A list of objects which contain the key value for the object itself, which is the field name and the value, right? Name Bahasa Indonesia, code B Indo, sifat is wajib, company ID, this one is many to one to this one. Company ID is many to one to the company. All right, so we will have the SD company, the SMP company, the SD company, and so on. All right, so when we generate this diagram, so okay, this is the pelajaran diagram. So when we generate this one, generate pelajaran, and then we have to remove the old one. And that's it. We will have the add-ons completed with the data. It will be stored in the CSV file like this. Okay, so this is the default data for the object. And the other example is the status guru, for example, teacher status. Status guru is located somewhere here, right? So this is the more simple format, more simple form of the data, which is only a list of string like this to be treated as the values for this table or for this class. So when we generate this one, and also the other things, the other class like the aspect penilaian, which is this is the ID, and then this is the name. So when we install this add-on or upgrade this add-on, when we have already installed it, we will have something like this in the pelajaran, and then we will have the status guru, for example, this one, and then we will have the pelajaran also. Right, this is the default data imported automatically just by defining the records, or the records here in the diagram. All right, so that is the first cool feature in this release.